Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 3.6 part 1 homework today of pre-calculus math. And in today's homework assignment, we got 85 points here of homework to do at page 1. You have fill in the blanks up here, 8 points for this page, page 1. What type of visual display can you create to get an idea of the type of model you can use, and then put in your response here. Power model for this here, exponential model for data as coefficient determination of this. Which model fits the data better? Explain that. 8 points here. Page 2 on your homework, 16 points here. Determine whether the scatter plot could best be modeled by a linear, quadratic, or an exponential, logarithmic, or a logistic. So put those in these boxes here for each one of these. 5 will go here, 6 will be over here, 8 will be over here, 10, and then 12 will be over here. So put one of those model types for this different kind of pattern here. 16 points here, page 2. Page 3, use a graphing calculator to create a scatter plot for the data. Decide whether the data could be best be modeled by a linear, exponential, or logarithmic model from this data set here. You can plot these, hello, plot them. And then tell me which one of these models fit best to that. 9 points for this page here. Page 4, use your regression feature of a graphing calculator to find an exponential model y equals ab to the x for the data and identify a coefficient of determination for each of these here. So 19, 21, and then 20 here. 21. So you got 3 grids here. You got 19, 21, 20, and then in here, put your responses down for telling me which model fits best here, 19, 20, and 21 in this response box, so my grading app can find that. That'll work best here. Page 4 is worth 12 points. And then page 5, same thing here. Same thing, except use a regression feature of a graphing calculator to find a logarithmic model for in natural log x, y equals a plus b natural log x for the data, and identify the coefficient of determination for each of these. And then use your graphing calculator to plot and graph the model in the same viewing window. Do that on these grids if you want to get your full 18 points here. So page 5, and then same thing here for page 6. Instead, we'll be using the power model here, y equals ax to the b for the data, and identify the coefficient of determination for these data sets. 18 points here. Then page 7, we got a word problem. You got a data set. Use your regression feature of a graphing calculator to attempt to find a logarithmic model for the data. Explain why the result is an error message. So do that, and then explain why you'll have an error message, and you get 4 points for page 7, and that's your 3.6 part 1 homework. Thank you.